Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. Today I will guide you through the simple steps to download a ChatGPT conversation or topic as a PDF file on your computer. Whether you are looking to save important information, share insights with others, or simply keep a record of your interactions, converting your ChatGPT conversation into a PDF is a straightforward process. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create the required topic within ChatGPT and then convert it to a PDF file. So let's dive in and simplify your digital documentation process. On my screen, you can see I am in ChatGPT. So let's log out first. Okay, now we can start from the beginning. I am on chatgpt.com and I will log in with my email because ChatGPT have all the information saved into its record, right? Or the history of the topics that I asked from ChatGPT, and ChatGPT saved all the preferences against my account. Okay, I am logged in into ChatGPT. To show you an example, I will make it quick and simple, right? I want to ask ChatGPT that please write 50 word documents. Please write useful 50 word documents on how I can improve my calendar or timings. Let's go ahead and ask this from ChatGPT. So ChatGPT has written a 50-word document for me, and let's say I want to save this document as a PDF file. So let's go ahead and copy this document, right? Once I have copied this document, and let's open the Word file. In the Word file, let's open the blank document and let's paste the same text, right? So I have created this little text document just to show you and just to explain you how we can save ChatGPT document as a PDF file. So let's go ahead to the file and scroll down to save as. Make sure you have Word installed in your computer. Let's go ahead and go to browse, and here, that's fine. Improving calendar management and time management. I want to save it on desktop and I want this document as a PDF, right? Here you go. So that's fine. Let's go ahead and save this. I've saved this document as a PDF and this gets open here. Let me show you on the desktop. Here is my document. So let's see another method of saving this document as a PDF. Press Ctrl P on your computer screen when you have this document open in front of you, and here if you have a printer you could select that printer to print, but I want this document as a PDF right now, so that's fine. Print to PDF is already selected, and let's go ahead and click on print. Let's go ahead and save it to desktop. I just want to name it PDF example. Let's go ahead and save it, and on desktop I should have PDF example. Perfect, here you go. Now at the end, let's go ahead and show you another important thing that a few minutes ago I asked ChatGPT that improve website content. I want to improve my website content and I asked ChatGPT write content for me for 4 pages on how we can improve our website. So ChatGPT gave me a perfect content about improving my website, and still I can see that in history, and this is the advantage of logging in with your email into ChatGPT, and that is totally free. So let's say I want to share how to improve our website content to my juniors or to my fellows, right? I want to share this tip with them. So let's go ahead and expand this. That will make it more easier. I have expanded this document and I can see here copy button, and simply once I copy it, let's go ahead to the Word. Let's open the blank page and let's paste this here, right? So if you need an essay, if you need any content for your website, or if you need any other helpful details from ChatGPT in a PDF and you want to share with someone else or you want to save it for your offline viewing in your computer, you can do same like I'm doing here. So let's go ahead again and go to File, go to Save. I want to save it on the desktop. I have browsed the desktop and here how to improve our website. Let's go to desktop and I want to save it as a PDF file. That's perfect. Let's go ahead and save it. And here you go. This is save as PDF file. And one more thing, if you want to print it, this is important to select this content completely first, right? Select it all here and then go ahead and click on the print. So this will print same as we did earlier for our one paragraph document. So that's it about today's simple, quick and to the point tutorial on how to save Chat GPT content as a PDF file. We have learned few simple methods on creating or getting the details in PDF file. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Take care. Bye.